Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up our computer for Python Dash, the package provided with Plotly, using which you can develop web apps or data apps. So as you can see, I have already my VS Code window open and I'm already inside this Dash tutorial. So first of all, we will create a virtual environment. So this virtual environment is being created by using a package called venv that comes pre-installed with Python 3. So you can run this command to create a virtual environment. As you can see here, the virtual environment has been created. Now we need to activate this virtual environment using the command that I wrote in the terminal. Once activated, it will be visible here on the terminal. Now that we are inside the virtual environment, let's install the Dash. Pip install Dash. Depending on the internet connection, it will take some time to install. Let's wait for it. Now that the Dash is installed, as you can see here, let's create a file named app.py. Let's import Dash, and from Dash we'll import HTML. Now in order to create the instance of the Dash application, we will just create a variable which by convention is named as app, and we will, from Dash package, we will call the Dash class, which will give us the instance of the Dash application. Now to this object there's a property attached, that's layout, and this property will basically hold the UI of our Dash application. So for UI we need to call the HTML class. From HTML class we will call the div tag, and here we will use square brackets which represents a list of different elements or an array of different elements that you will be using in your layout. So this is required in order to have multiple elements in your application, just like you would have seen in your normal HTML. Now here we can call all the HTML tags that are present in our HTML. You can write a small hello world app. So here you can see the convention is you have to start the tag with an uppercase alphabet. Similarly, if you want a p tag, you will have to write it in uppercase. Now that the layout is completed, this is how we run the app. We say if the current module is the main module, we will simply do app dot run server, and we will keep debug parameter equals to true. That basically means while you are running the app, if any changes, they will be reflected right away in the page. Okay, here we are having some error. Here you need to pass in comma. If you have multiple HTML tags in your application, you need it to separate with the comma. Now let's run this small app using app.py. You will get a URL. Just click on it and you will see we got our very first app, hello world, and you will get a nice little icon here that in case if you have any errors, they will be shown here. There are a couple of options here, callbacks and servers, that we will get to in the next video. Thank you for watching.